This beautiful multifunctional travel bag is lovely for cosmetics or toiletries. The double layer bag offers a large capacity to accommodate full-size products. Inside you'll find 2 small pockets for separate storage. The lower layer has a built-in cosmetic brush storage compartment to keep up to 5 large brushes in tip-top shape. Yep, the professional dust cover design protects the bristles. The durable metal frame improves the experience of makeup applications on the go because you don't need to hold open the bag. That's right, there's a built-in wire around the opening to help the portable bag stay wide open for easy access. Life is a journey. Grab this lush leather travel bag for life on the move.